In this video, we are talking about best JavaScript books for beginners as well as advanced developers. Now, one thing is, I myself am a huge fan of these technical books, especially two publications, Packet Publications, O'Reilly Publications. Both of these publications are my favorite when we talk about books, and that's why I have included some of these books in this video as well. But other books are actually quite not popularly known, but they are very important if you want to go deep into the stuff. Now, books are something which helps you understand the basic layer as well as go deep into what a particular language talks about, right? So this is what we are going to decode in this video. What books to read and what each individual book tells you about, right? So even if you talk about the essence of one book, it is very different from the efficacy of the other book. The simple reason is, first thing is writer mentality. The second thing is way of writing. So some people write books which are more practical. Some people write books which are more in a way that they target the deep concepts of a particular language, of a particular concept. First, we have Eloquent JavaScript, which is, of course, the basic primer of JavaScript. It is Eloquent JavaScript. So this is actually a modern way of dealing with JavaScript, right? So this is the basic primer. If you are starting from zero level, this is a must read for you. Now, the next come is JavaScript, the good parts. Now this book, when this book came out, there was actually the things mentioned in this book were not actually known by a lot of people out there, right? Even me, after reading this book, I got to know a lot of concepts which actually were not given anywhere else. Now, this book talks about things which are not normally talked about, right? So this is a book which is a must read because you actually tend to go deep into the concepts which are important but which were being neglected. Next is You Don't Know JS. Now this is not one book, this is a complete series of books, right? But this series is a must read, and the simple reason is because A, the style of writing, B, the style of writing, C, the style of writing, D, the style of writing, it's awesome. Okay, you should try. Next is Effective JavaScript, 68 specific ways to harness the power of JavaScript. So now this is the book which is actually taught by master programmer, and this book talks about the advanced level stuff, and the book talks about the deep concepts of JavaScript. Okay. Next is Node.js in action. If you want to learn about Node.js, Express, HTTPS and all of these topics, this is a book for you. This book talks about Socket.io, all of these things using Node.js. If you're just starting out with Node.js, then I would recommend this book. Okay, must read. Next is JavaScript Elong or Elonge, I don't know. It's actually, I think, French or something like that. So this book is all about best practices, and there is a long debate we can do that why you should prefer best practices and why you should not prefer best practices. But the answer or the gist of that complete debate would be that it is actually important for you to go with best practices. Now this is the book which actually tells you how to write code, how to write good code, what are the best practices of JavaScript. Now this is the end of the series. We had a long list. I have a long list of JavaScript books, but I have limited myself to a very concocted list wherein you can get that complete highly concocted mixture of books, so that you can, and this is actually a list for beginners to advanced. Okay, so that's all. If you have any suggestions for books, leave that in comment, like the video. Further, I think subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you. Ciao.